Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about PC muscle training. Let's start with the PC muscle, also known as the pelvic floor or pubococcygeus muscles. These are the muscles that support your bladder and rectum and help control your urine flow. Many friends have asked me where the PC muscle is and how I can find it. You must take the time to ensure that you are exercising the right muscles in order to help strengthen your PC muscles. It might take a few tries to find it. As a result, take your time. You can locate your PC muscles in a variety of ways. One method is to 1. Try stopping and starting your urine stream while standing at the toilet to urinate. Repeat this process 2 or 3 times. Another way to locate your pelvic floor muscles is 2. Imagine that someone walks into your bathroom while you are urinating and you need to stop the flow of urine. Your pelvic floor muscles are responsible for stopping urine flow. These are the muscles you should work on before and after your prostate cancer treatment. PC muscle training is also known as Kegel exercises and is quite simple. Step 1. Tighten and hold your pelvic floor muscles for 5 seconds. Step 2. Relax them. This is a round of a Kegel exercise. Plan to perform 10 to 20 Kegel exercises 3 to 4 times per day. Isn't it simple? However, it will be extremely beneficial to you in the future. Now, let me show you how to use the PC muscle to relieve the urgency of ejaculation for the purpose of extending your time. When we do PE treatment training or have a strong urge to ejaculate during sex, there are 2 ways to control the urge to ejaculate using the PC muscle. The first is to relax by clamping the PC muscle quickly and strongly 10 to 15 times. The second step is to clench hard and hold the PC muscle for 5 seconds, then relax. Then clench hard and relax for 5 seconds more and repeat this process 3 times. People accept these 2 different combinations and consider them suitable. Some people find fast clamping relaxation effect good, while some find slow clamping, hold a few seconds, and then relax the effect good. You must try yourself to find the best effect in your own way. One thing to keep in mind about the PC muscle clamping method can lead to penis weakness if done too frequently. So, depending on the situation, you should try a few times on your own to find the way and number of times that can reduce the sense of urgency while not causing penis weakness. If a quick clench softens after 15 repetitions, we can reduce it to 10 repetitions. The knowledge and experience we have explained and shared are only for reference purposes and cannot be completely copied. You must make adjustments based on your own reality after understanding the underlying principles. A few friends privately looking for me and sharing experience said doing a group of clamping PC muscle and then fantasizing about defecation, force from the anus to push outward, can relieve the ejaculation urgency. You are free to try it and see if it works for you. Long-term adherence to PC muscle exercise, not only the penis hardness is very good, but also the ejaculation pleasure is much stronger than those who have not practiced. I hope that we can usually develop a good habit of exercising PC muscle. Alright, it's for today's session. I will see you in next time. Thank you.